Welcome to Budify, which is a point of sale inventory management. And of course, we've now integrated a marketplace where you can order through one of our licensed facilities. So how it works is you will land on a dashboard. It will give you your total revenue, profit, and active members. Let's look at the test POS. So you've got your tabs on the top here: flour, pre-rolls, hash slabs, vape, tinctures, gummies, edibles, accessories, and of course you can add whatever you want. So let's say we want to select a member, and Jan Muller, and he's got gummies and he's got a pre-roll, he's taken an indoor and exotic, and he's taken some flour. So what happens next? Do we give him a discount? No. Does he pay by card, cash, mobile pay, crypto? Okay, we can do his payment. Okay, this receipt can go to him on WhatsApp, or we can print it, but that's what it will look like. Then let's look at members. You can add a member, quick add, or if you want to do a section 21, well, there's a QR code, sorry. There's a QR code where the member can do the sign up themselves. And of course, we can look at a section 21 intake form. It's got all of the information that you would require. And you can even keep a register of your section 21 customer with the signature, with their ID document, and all of the information that you need. Now, look at your products. These are your products. It's showing 0, so you can add a product, whatever you want it to be called. Let's say, for example, pre-roll, new product you want to put in. It's a pre-roll. Let's call it lemon haze. And of course, it's a pre-roll. Price, retail price is, let's say, $80. The cost is 40. Quantity is 10. Low threshold 2 to give you a warning. THC on that is 6%. CBD is 12%. And is this a sativa, indica, or hybrid? It's a hybrid. We can create that into our products. Now, if we go into the inventory, we've got all in here, and you can add your products. Let's say you want to transfer the stock, right? You could take, let's say, for example, from here, and it's not showing the store because we allow you to transfer from your warehouse to one of your other stores. And I'll show you in a few minutes how that is done. Then, of course, it's your orders, it's your sales, your finances. Let's say, for example, you can capture payments as well. Let's say you had to pay for staff, 500. Okay, let's put that on the other. Let's say it was Sam, and that expense gets recorded in there. So it's a full management tool, fully customizable to your needs as well, and your different stores. So let's add another store here. Let's say Santon, right? And obviously it's a branch, address 21 Redmond Drive, Santon 6140. Right. So let's go back to inventory. So we can transfer this lemon haze to the Santon branch, and we took 2 of that from store. Sorry, okay, you've got to create your second store. So let's go back to stores and create another store. Let's call this Midrand branch. Create the store. Go back to inventory, and now we can transfer stock from Santon to Midrand. We gave it 2, and of course we need to say what stock it is. You can transfer the stock in there. Okay. Yeah, so you can do your inventory. You can check per branch as well. Of course, that's on the stores, right? Then we've got a loyalty program. So on the loyalty program, you can set the points threshold under the settings. You go to loyalty, and you would say points earned per currency spent. So minimum redeem points. So this is how you can set it up. Okay. Then let's go into supplier returns. Let's say, for example, you have to create an RFC for a damaged vape. You can select your supplier, you can say it's damaged, and you can create an RFC. Promotions, you can create your promotions in here. You can run it from a date range. You can do a discount and a percentage, buy one, get one free, a rand discount, totally up to you. All right, then of course you got your cashiers, cashier sessions, whoever's been in and out of the till. We've got reports, can show you daily, weekly, monthly, and a date range. Okay, products by revenue, what's your fastest selling product, business intelligence, and then of course you can add your cashiers there, right? So they will only be able to access the POS screen. Then we've got a marketplace, because we are associated with a licensed facility. This is some of the products that are available. You could do your order directly from here. Let's say you're running short on exotic and you want to order 10 there, and you want some indoor, you want to get 10 there. Okay, cool. And that's it. Let's look at gummies, and you want to order some gummies, and okay, then you can obviously send your order through. Right, order will come to us, we will send it to the facility, you pay the facility direct, and of course you get your goods. Settings, you can put your company details, currency for your local currency. Remember, we are an international business based out of any country. You can buy this product. Your suppliers, you can add supplier details in here, and of course your loyalty. So ladies and gentlemen, that is Budify in a nutshell, and stay tuned for more exciting features that will come through.